Hello friends, welcome to the channel Simply Mathematical. Okay, today in this video let us do the topic formula for the number of elements in A union B and number of elements in A union B union C. Okay, that is n A union B and n A union B union C. Okay, now first of all let us see what you mean by n bracket A union B or n bracket any set A. Okay, so that means we have to I'll tell you what you mean by the number of elements in a set. Okay, so let A be equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now if you have this set, okay, that is the set A equal to the set 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you know that you can see that there are 6 elements in this set, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we denote the number of elements in the set A as NA, okay, or n of A. Okay, so since there are 6 elements, the n of A, that is the number of element in the set A, will be 6. Okay, now suppose you take the set B as the set of all vowels in the English alphabet, so that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now you know that you can see that there are 5 elements in this set, right? So the n of B will be what? That is equal to 5. Okay, okay, now like that you can write the number of elements in any set. Okay, so if now you look at the set A union B here, okay, so that will be what? That will be all the elements of A, those are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right, and then all the elements of B, so that is A, E, I, O, U, right. So you can count the elements, that will be what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 elements are there in the set A union B. So number of elements in A union B is equal to 11, right. So here I have written the number of elements in this set A union B. Okay, so like that you can write the number of elements for A intersection B, okay, and etc. Okay, so like that you denote the number of elements in any set. Okay, so now let us go to the first formula, okay, that we have to find. So that is, if A and B are any two finite sets, okay, such that A intersection B, okay, is empty, okay, that is there are no elements in A intersection B, then the number of elements in A union B, okay, will be equal to the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B. Okay, now to look at the formula, or to get the formula, let us look at the Venn diagram. Okay, so Venn diagram here I am drawing. Okay, so suppose you have a set A. Okay, this is the set A. Now it is given that A intersection B is empty. Okay, so there are no common elements in the set A and B. So the second set B you have to draw it without intersecting the set A. Okay, so this will be the set B. Okay, now see, A union B means what? All the elements of A, right here, these are all the elements of A and all the elements of B. Okay, so what you can see here, we are just taking all the elements of A and all the elements of B. So the number of elements in A union B will be what? The number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B. right? So the number of elements in A union B will be equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. Okay, this is true when A intersection B is empty. Okay, there are no common elements between A and B. Okay, so this is the first formula. Okay, now we will go to the second formula, okay, that we have to derive. So that is number of elements in A union B, okay, where A and B are again any two finite sets, okay, and now there are no conditions on the set A and B, like A intersection B is empty and all. Okay, so you have any two sets A and B. Okay, so then the number of elements in A union B will be number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus the number of elements in A intersection B. Okay, so where A and B are any two finite sets. Okay, so there is no condition now, okay, that A intersection B is empty, A intersection B, okay, like that. Okay, there is no condition on A and B. Okay, A and B are any two sets. Okay, now we have to derive this formula. So let us again look at the Venn diagram. Okay, so suppose this is the set A and this is the set B. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Now here A union B is this, right, all this A union B. Now what you do is you look at the set, okay, which is A intersection B. So this is the set A intersection B, right. The elements which are common to both A and B are here, right. So this is A intersection B. Now if you look at this region, okay, so this region which I have shaded is what? So this is A, okay, this full is A, right. Now if we remove all the elements which are the elements of B, okay, that are here, okay, then what we will get? We are doing what? We are taking all the elements which are in A and which are not in B, right. So this area which I have shaded here is A minus B, right, A minus B. Okay, so this is A minus B. Okay, we are taking all the elements of A, okay, all the elements of A which are not in B. Okay, suppose we had taken this, then we would have taken all the the elements of B also. Okay, so I am not taking this region, I am only taking the region, okay, this, okay, which are all the elements of A which are not in B. Now similarly if we take this region here, okay, so this region will be what? Now I am taking all the elements of B which are not in A. Okay, so this will be B minus A, okay, this region. Okay, so now see this everything here, okay, is what? Including A and B, that is A union B, right. So what you do is you look at A union B equal to A minus B, right, union with A intersection B, okay, union with B minus A. Okay, so A union B is what? A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A, right. So if you combine everything you get A union B, right. So now there is one condition, there are two conditions actually. So A minus B and A intersection B are what? A minus B intersection A intersection B. Okay, you see that it is empty, right. A minus B intersection A intersection B. There are no common elements between these two sets, right? So these two sets are disjoint, okay? These two sets are disjoint, right? So A minus B intersection A intersection B is empty. Similarly, A intersection B, right, intersection B minus A is also empty, right? A intersection B minus A is also empty. There are no common elements between these two sets also, right? So this you have, right? So you are looking at A union B as A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A, where A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are all disjoint, right? So if you look at the number of elements in A union B, it will be equal to what? The number of elements in A minus B, right, plus the number of elements in A intersection B, okay, plus the number of elements in B minus A, okay. So this you have, okay. This you can also look at this equation by the equation 2, okay. So since A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A are disjoint, the number of elements will be what? The number of elements in this set, okay, plus this set, right? That is the formula number 1, sorry, not 2, the formula number 1, okay. N A union B is equal to N A plus N B, right, because A and B were disjoint. Similarly, here all these three are disjoint, so the number of elements in all these three will be what? The sum of the number of elements in each set, okay. So that is what I have written. So number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B plus number of elements in B minus A, right. Now what I will do here is I will add and subtract number of elements in A intersection B, okay. I want to get the formula, right. So I have to do I have to add and subtract N A intersection B, okay. So N A minus B plus N A intersection B, right, plus N B minus A plus N A intersection B minus N A intersection B, right. I am adding and subtracting N A intersection B. See, I am not changing anything here, right. I am just adding and subtracting the same quantity, right. If you cancel this again back, you will get this equation, right. So I am not changing anything, okay. So now if you look at, A minus B, okay, union A intersection B, right. So that is A minus B union A intersection B, that will be what? That will be the set A, right. That will be the set A, right. So the set A, you can look at it as the union of the set A minus B and A intersection B, where A minus B and A intersection B are disjoint, right. So what will be the number of elements in A minus B plus the number of elements in A intersection B? It will be nothing but the number of elements in the set A, right, for this, okay. So that is the number of elements in the set A, right. Then plus, similarly if you do the number of elements in B minus A, right, and the number of elements in A intersection B. So what you will get? See, again B minus A and A intersection B are disjoint, right. So and you know that you can see that the set B is the union of the set A intersection B and B minus A. So here what you will get? So here again you will get number of elements in the set B minus A plus number of elements in the set A intersection B as number of elements in B, right, and minus you have A intersection B, right, this you have, okay. So what you got is, that is the number of elements in A union B is equal to the number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay, so this is the second formula. Okay, this is the second formula. Okay, now we will go to the third formula, that is the number of elements in A union B union C. Okay, so we have to find this. So the third formula, that is the number of elements in A union B union C. So we have to prove this, number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C, right, minus number of elements in A intersection B minus number of elements in B intersection C, right, minus number of elements in A intersection C plus number of elements in A intersection B intersection C, right. This we have to prove. Now we will not use the Venn diagram here, we will use the formula 2, okay, here. So let us see how to use the formula 2 to get this formula. So you have N A union B union C, right. So we can write this as N A union B union C, right, like this we can write it. Okay. So N of A union bracket B union C. Now suppose you use the formula number 2 here, okay, what you will get? So you look at the set A here as the set A in the formula 2 and the set B union C as the set B in the formula number 2. So what you will get is N A plus N B union C, okay, minus N A intersection B union C, right. So the formula number 2 you look at, okay, so that is this. See, formula number 2 is N A union B is equal to N A plus N B, okay, minus N A intersection B. Okay, this is the formula number 2. Okay, so you take the set A as the set A in the formula number 2 and the set B union C as the set B in the formula number 2. So what you will get? Number of elements in A, right? So that is this, plus number of elements in B. Now B corresponds to what here? B union C, right? Okay, then minus number of elements in A intersection B. So A is A intersection, B is what? B union C. So intersection B union C you got. Okay. Now this is from 2. Okay. Now if we proceed, what you will get here? So now what I will do is I will use the distributive law here, okay, for this set. So N A plus N B union C minus N. So the distributive law is what? So the distributive law is A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B, right, union A intersection C. Okay, A intersection B union A intersection C, right. So see this, I am getting A intersection B union A intersection C, right. So this is by the distributive law. Okay, so now what we will get? See, now again I will use the formula number 2 for this B union C, right. So what I will get? N A plus N B, right, plus N C minus N B intersection C, right? So this formula. So B corresponds to A, C corresponds to B. So what you are getting? NA, so that is NB, okay, plus NB, that is NC, minus NA intersection B, so NB intersection C, right? Okay, so then minus, okay, NA intersection B, right, union A intersection C. Okay, this we are getting, right? See, now what you do, what we have is this, oh, this is, okay, I have used it. So this is from 2, right? So this is from 2 we got, okay. Now we will proceed. So that is, now what I will do is I will again use the formula number 2 for this set, okay. So what we will get is NA plus NB plus NC, right, minus B intersection C minus, see, now formula number 2 is here, okay. So formula number 2 is here. So NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So A corresponds to A intersection B and B corresponds to A intersection C, right? So what you will get? NA, so that is NA intersection B here, right? Then plus NB, right? So B corresponds to what? That is this, right? A intersection C. So NA intersection C, okay, minus NA intersection B in the formula number 2. So here it will be N A intersection B, okay, intersection A intersection C, right? So this is what we get, okay. Okay, then what you get is NA plus NB, right, plus NC minus NB intersection C, okay. Then you get minus N A intersection B, right, plus N A intersection C minus, okay. Now again here what I will do is I will use the distributive law, okay. So again the distributive law is what? See, distributive law with intersection in the middle, okay, here. So what you have to do here is just you have to take common, okay. You have to take the set A common, okay. So what you will get? So it is A, right, A intersection B intersection A intersection C, right. So by the distributive law it will be A intersection B intersection C, okay. You can take A common, okay. So it is like that, taking like A common, okay. So A intersection B intersection C you are getting, right. So you get A intersection B intersection C, okay. So this will be what? This will be N A plus N B, okay, plus N C minus N B intersection C, right. And now you open this square bracket. So if you open the square bracket, what you will get? Minus N A intersection B, right, then minus N A intersection C, right, here, minus plus minus, then minus minus plus, right, plus N A intersection B intersection C, right. See, these brackets you can now omit, right, because this A intersection bracket B intersection C is same as A intersection B intersection C, okay. That is the same thing, okay. Now what you get is this, okay. So we will write this, that is N A, sorry, so yeah, so this is we are calculating NA union B union C, right? So this, the right hand side of NA union B union C here, we will write it in order, okay. So what we get, okay, we get this NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC, right, then minus NA union B minus NB union C, right, C. We had what? Union I am writing. Oh sorry, this is okay. So it is minus NA intersection B, right, here. Okay. Then minus B intersection C and then minus A intersection C. Okay, minus B intersection C minus NA intersection C plus the last term is what? NA intersection B intersection C, right. So this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula that you have to know. Okay, this is the third formula. Okay, the third formula. So that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.